Hi there, welcome to ontrackTV. My name is Jonathan and today we're going to be looking at special text format elements within HTML. Some examples of these formats are bold and italics, strong and emphasis, superscript, subscript, as well as marked and small text. We're also going to look at HTML headings, which allow Google, Yahoo, and other search engines to understand what's going on with the structure of your headings within your document. But look, enough talk from me, let's dive straight in. The first thing we're going to look at before we get into our special text formats are heading tags. So heading tags are used to structure your HTML document a bit better. It also helps Google and Yahoo and other search engines have a look at your HTML page and find out what's going on in terms of structure. So your main headings should be wrapped in heading 1 tags, like so. For instance, I might have sports as my main heading. Again, a bit of indentation helps readability. Subheadings, or headings with next level of importance, would then go in H2 tags, like so. So for instance, we might have hockey, we might have football, like so. Now both of these have the same level of importance because they're using the H2 tag. If I go to File, Save, and Refresh over here, you can even see that Google Chrome browser gives us a bit of default styling. So heading 1 tags are slightly larger than the heading 2 tags. This will vary from browser to browser. If I want a subheading within football or within hockey, for instance, again, bit of indentation, I would use heading 3 and so on and so forth all the way down. I believe you have about 6 headings or 6 level of headings to work with. So for instance, you might have junior, and we might have senior. Again, both on the same level, so I'm using the heading 3 tag. File, save, refresh, and we have our 3 subheadings. So that's how you use the heading element tag within HTML. Now, we're going to have a look at our special text formats now. So the first one I want to show you is bold and strong tags. So this is bold and strong text, like so. So bold is done using the letter B, and it has an end tag as well, /B. If I go to File, Save, and Refresh, you'll see the word that I had wrapped in the bold tag is now bolded, like so. Strong is going to be the strong tag, like so. Also has an end tag. File, Save, Refresh. And strong is now strong styled. Now, the difference between the two of these, visually they're the same, but the strong element tag semantically is giving importance to the text that it's wrapped around. So as far as Google's concerned, the word strong in this case has some kind of importance within the context of the HTML document. So you can use these interchangeably if you want, but if you want the text to have some kind of importance, strong is the one to use. Our next set of tags we're going to look at are italics and emphasis, and it's the same kind of thing as bold and strong. This is italics and emphasis text. So italics is simply the letter I and the end tag. File, save, refresh. You see we have italics like so. And then emphasis is EM. Closing tag as well. File, save, refresh. Visually similar, but again, emphasis has stronger importance within HTML. Next, we're going to look at small and marked text. this is small and marked text. So small is quite simply small and then closing tag, small, go to File, Save, Refresh. And you can see that the small text is slightly smaller than the normal text. Marked text is done using mark. And essentially mark is highlighted text. So if we go to File, Save, Refresh, it highlights whatever text you have wrapped around with the mark element. And lastly, and this is rare that these are used, but they do exist within HTML, this is subscript and superscript text. These can be useful if you are making scientific equations at any point. So subscript is simply sub, like so, File, Save, Refresh, subscript, and then superscript is simply sup. File, Save, Refresh, like so. Those are your special text formats and your heading tags. So, in that lesson we saw the special text format HTML elements that we have at our disposal. We have our strong and our emphasis, bold, italics, subscript and superscript, as well as marked and small text. We also had a look at headings and how you can use them to structure your titles of your document so they have some kind of semantic meaning, as well as Google and other search engines being able to make sense of what's going on in your HTML document. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.